Ki khubor ki babnia. Myntri ke Tnat Pule Puthi jong ke Jylla rakam sangma menta kasi ula ongba ke Tnat jong kadang bistar bnia akabai day ba ke Jingjur Palat ke Jingpep Skul Shiteng por jong ki kena Skul Hapoh kene ke Jylla. Da ke bepenpau ya ke Khuslai mensim jong akabai day bat kene usama ula ongba ke sarkar kala betha ya ki deputy commissioner ban kener laki kti ki skul ki bumda la ban le bha. Ka kaipot Sustainable Development Goals Index jong usnem 8,800 kala kedau ba ke Jingpep Skul mala usnem ha ke kedan secondary ka bomut ha ke kelas kendai bat Hapoh Hapoh ke Jylla Meghalaya kalong 8.9% ha ke bedairu ka bajurtam ha ke negatan da ka bakular ba ke sarkar Jylla ka sashim ya baro kilat ki kabu ban pendunai ke Jingpep Skul Shiteng por usang mau laong ba Tnat jong kala shimlut ya baro kilat kilenti ban kentiu ya kerukom Pule Puthi hakni ke Jylla.
And maybe there are many factors that the drop is happening. We are doing it departmentally. We are assessing and we are taking report, and we have even written. We have even what you call instructed for the DSUs and deputy commissioner just to reach out and speak and meet the specific schools, because there are some schools which consecutively zero performance. Look, there are some of the schools that perform well in the rurals, but there are some of the schools where completely zero. Suppose I'll just give an example. In South KHASI, there are many rural schools who have performed well.